For what?
For you know what?
No, I like that this is good as another time to look for somebody. Ako personally, kung magtakbo si kung sa panandaan, okay sa ako. Those are interested only. Kasi pag supportahan kita, tapos ay ka na also get it's not even a concession. I cannot get a firm commitment from you to work on peace. Okay? Kasi kami Mindanao, pare, you want our support or you want our sentiments to be in your heart, okay? But unahin mo muna yung problema ng Mindanao, tapos patayan kami, wala naman kayo, malayo kayo. You are far from the madding crowd, but we here, we face the possibility of an armed conflict again. More so that we have not, there's not a substantial move to reach out to everybody. Yung Bangsamoro is just a part of it. Not the minuscule thing, but it's just a part because you have to take care of the Lumads, you have to hear the sub-tribes of Mindanao. It's not easy as that, sabi mo ng Kristiyanos, a lot of people there, if you talk about religion, then it's Christianity, Islam, we avoid that, we do not talk about it. But yung sub-culture, the sub-tribe dito, the Lumad, they must have to say also. Kasi pag hindi, gano'n rin, we cannot have a united front. We want to prosperous Mindanao. Now, if the setup is good for Mindanao, it can also be good for the other regions of this country. My suspect is that because of what's happening now, and because of the so much money wasted that went to the pocket of people. Sino ba naman ganahan magbayad kung ibayad pupunta lang doon sa bulsa ng nag-a-appropriate? And things are not that good either in the law and order front. I'm not blaming the president. I know that he's doing his best. But maybe just like mine, our best is not really good enough. More. Kaya sabi ko ito, you cannot do it if you follow the traditional system, you get nowhere. Mamawala ka talaga. Your hands are tied and almost another 6 years or 6 years old. Kung lalabas ka lang naman tapos another 6 years old. I said, I'm not blaming the president. He is a hostage of the system.
Mayor, your comments